Hey guys! Welcome back to Chill English Podcast.
What's up, everyone? We are so happy you're here today.
I'm Emma, and this is Michael. And today we have something really special for you.
That's right. Today we have 10 real English conversations. 10.
And they're all about food and places you eat. Cafeterias, bakeries, steakhouses.
Dessert shops, ice cream shops, basically all my favorite places.
Same. These conversations are simple, natural, and super easy to follow.
We're using level A2 and B1 English, so perfect for beginners who want to level up a little.
Every dialogue sounds like a real conversation, the kind you'd actually have in real life.
No boring textbook stuff, just real English, chill English.
Before we jump in, if you're new here, welcome to the family.
Hit that subscribe button and the like button. It helps us so much.
And leave a comment below. Tell us, what's your favorite food? We want to know.
Okay, no more waiting. Let's get into dialogue number 1. Ready?
Let's go.
Excuse me. Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome. What can I get for you today? Let me see. What's the special today? Today's special is grilled chicken with rice and salad. It comes with a drink, too. Oh, that sounds really good. I'll have that, please. Great choice. And what drink would you like? We have water, juice, or soda. Can I have orange juice, please? Of course. Is that for here or to go? For here, please. I'm going to sit and eat. Perfect. And would you like any extra sauces? We have ketchup, mayo, or hot sauce. Yes. Can I have hot sauce on the side, please? Sure. No problem. Anything else? We also have soup today, tomato soup. Oh, tempting. But no thank you. I think that's enough for now. All right. So that's the grilled chicken special with orange juice and hot sauce on the side. That's right. Perfect. Coming right up. Here's your tray. Enjoy your lunch. Thank you so much. It smells amazing, by the way. Thank you. I'll tell the cook. Enjoy. Thank you. Have a great day.
Hi, I'm ready to pay. Can I get my check, please? Of course. Did you have the grilled chicken special with orange juice? Yes, that's me. All right, your total is $9.50. $9.50. Okay, can I pay by card? Yes, absolutely. We take credit and debit cards. Perfect. Here you go. Thank you. Just tap your card here, please. Done. Oh, do I get a receipt? Yes, I'll print one for you. Just a second. Here you are. Thanks. Oh, I wanted to say, the chicken was really good today. Compliments to the chef. Oh, thank you so much. That really means a lot. I'll definitely pass that along. Ha, please do. I'll be back tomorrow for sure. We'll be here. See you tomorrow. Have a wonderful afternoon. You too. Take care. Oh, wow. Everything looks so good in here. I don't know what to choose.
I know, right? Take your time. What are you in the mood for?
Something sweet, I think. What do you recommend?
Our best sellers today are the chocolate croissant and the blueberry muffin. Both are fresh, just came out of the oven.
Just out of the oven? Oh, that's perfect. Can I try a small piece of the croissant?
Of course. Here you go. Be careful. It's still a little warm.
Oh my goodness, that is incredible. It's so flaky and buttery.
Right? Our baker makes them from scratch every morning.
Okay, I'm sold. I'll take 2 chocolate croissants, please.
Great choice. Would you like anything to drink with that? We have coffee, tea, and hot chocolate.
Oh, yes. Can I have a medium coffee with oat milk if you have it?
We do. We have oat, almond, and soy milk.
Perfect. Oat milk, please. Can you also add 1 pump of vanilla syrup?
Absolutely. 1 medium coffee with oat milk and vanilla. 2 chocolate croissants. Got it.
Thank you. Do you have any loyalty cards or points? I want to become a regular.
Haha, yes we do. Sign up today and your 5th coffee is free.
Amazing. Sign me up. Hi there. I'd like to order a custom cake, please. Of course. We love custom orders. When do you need it by? This Saturday. Is that enough time? Saturday. That's 4 days away. Yes, we can do that. What's the occasion? It's my best friend's birthday. She's turning 30. Oh, how exciting. A big birthday. What size are you thinking? Small, medium, or large? I'd say medium. There will be about 10 people. Perfect. Medium feeds 8 to 12 people. Great choice. What flavor? Can I do chocolate cake with strawberry filling? Absolutely. That's one of our most popular combinations. And what about the frosting? Vanilla buttercream, please. And can the decoration be simple? Flowers and her name? Of course. What's her name? Her name is Sophia. Beautiful name. And what color would you like for the flowers? Pink and white, please. She loves pink. So cute. All right. Chocolate cake, strawberry filling, vanilla buttercream frosting, pink and white flowers, and Sophia written on top. That's perfect. How much will it cost? For a medium custom cake, it's $65. We'll also put it in a special gift box at no extra charge. That's wonderful. Can I leave a 50% deposit now? Yes, that works perfectly. $32.50 today, and the rest when you pick it up. She's going to love this. Thank you so much. We'll make it extra special. See you Saturday.
Good evening. The menu looks amazing. I've never been to a steakhouse before.
Oh, you're in for a treat. Everything here is excellent. Do you know what you'd like, or do you need a few more minutes?
I think I need a little more time. Can you tell me about your most popular steaks?
Of course. Our most popular is the ribeye. It's very tender and juicy. The New York strip is also great if you prefer something a bit leaner.
And how do you cook them?
We can cook them rare, medium, medium well, or well done. What do you prefer?
I'll try medium. Not too pink, not too dry.
Perfect choice. Medium is great for first-timers. It keeps the flavor and tenderness.
Great. I'll have the ribeye, medium, please. And what sides come with it?
It comes with your choice of 2 sides: mashed potatoes, grilled vegetables, French fries, or a house salad.
Can I have mashed potatoes and the house salad?
Absolutely. And would you like to start with anything? Our mushroom soup is incredible tonight.
Ooh, yes. I'll have the mushroom soup to start.
Excellent. And to drink, we have still water, sparkling water, juices, or sodas.
Sparkling water, please.
Wonderful. So mushroom soup to start, ribeye medium with mashed potatoes and house salad, and sparkling water. Perfect.
Thank you. I can already smell the kitchen from here. I'm so excited.
Ha, great things are coming. Enjoy your evening.
Oh my gosh, this steak is unbelievable. It just melts in your mouth.
Right? I told you, this place is something else. How's the salad?
It's really fresh. The dressing is amazing too. What's in it?
I think it's a lemon vinaigrette. Tangy, but not too strong. Really light.
Perfect for balancing the richness of the steak. Everything works together so well.
Exactly. Are the mashed potatoes good too?
Oh, they're so creamy. I think there's butter and cream in there. So indulgent.
That's the secret. Nothing beats real mashed potatoes.
Honestly, I can't believe I've never been to a steakhouse before. I've been missing out.
You were missing out, but better late than never, right?
Absolutely. I'm definitely coming back here. Maybe for my birthday.
Yes, you should. They do amazing birthday desserts too. Wait until you see the dessert menu.
Oh no, I'm already so full. But I have to try something sweet.
Always make room for dessert. That's a rule.
Deal. Okay, let me check the dessert menu. Any suggestions?
The lava cake is a must. Warm chocolate on the inside, vanilla ice cream on top. You can't leave without trying it.
Okay, that's it. I'm ordering it. I have no self-control around chocolate.
None of us do. Welcome to the club.
Oh, wow. This place is adorable. I feel like I'm in a dream.
Ha, welcome to the sweetest place in town. First time here?
Yes, my friend recommended it. She said the cheesecake here is out of this world.
Your friend has great taste. Our New York cheesecake is our signature dessert. We've been making it for 10 years.
That's impressive. Can I see the full menu?
Of course. Here you go. We also have waffles, crepes, chocolate fondue, and our dessert of the day.
What's the dessert of the day?
Today, it's a warm caramel apple tart with cinnamon ice cream. It's seasonal. We only have it in fall.
Oh, that sounds divine. but I also really want the cheesecake. Can I do a half portion of each?
Absolutely. We call that our tasting plate. You can choose any 2 half portions.
Perfect. That's exactly what I want. Can I also add a hot drink?
Of course, we have specialty coffees, herbal teas, and our famous hot chocolate. It's thick and rich.
Ooh, thick hot chocolate? Yes, please. Large, if possible.
Great choice. So, tasting plate with New York cheesecake and caramel apple tart, plus a large, thick hot chocolate.
You just described my perfect evening. Thank you.
Ha! Enjoy every bite. I'll bring it right out.
Hi, I'd like to buy some desserts to take home as a gift for my mom.
Oh, how sweet. We love gift orders. Do you have something specific in mind, or would you like help choosing?
I'd love some help. She likes chocolate and anything with fruit.
Great. Then I'd recommend our chocolate raspberry truffle box. It has 12 truffles, 6 chocolate, 6 raspberry.
That sounds perfect. Is it good for gifting?
Absolutely. We can put it in a beautiful gift box with a ribbon. We also offer a handwritten card at no extra cost.
Oh, I love that. Can I write something on the card?
Of course. What would you like it to say?
Can you write, Happy Mother's Day, Mom. You deserve the sweetest things in life. Love always.
That is so beautiful. She's going to cry happy tears.
I hope so. She deserves it. How long do the truffles last?
They stay fresh for up to 5 days at room temperature, or 2 weeks if you keep them in the fridge.
Perfect. I'll pick them up today then. How much is the box?
The truffle box with gift wrapping and card is $38.
That's very reasonable. I'll take it. Can I pay by card?
Absolutely. Your mom is very lucky to have you.
I'm the lucky one to have her. Thank you for your help. Thank goodness. An ice cream shop. I'm melting out there.
Ha, welcome. You found the right place. What can I get you?
I need a minute. There are so many flavors. How do you choose?
I know, it's tough. Do you like fruity flavors or creamy flavors?
I usually go for creamy, but today I want something refreshing.
Then you might like our mango sorbet. It's dairy-free, super light, and very refreshing. Or our lemon gelato.
Ooh, lemon gelato. Can I try a small taste?
Of course. Here you go. Here's a tiny spoon.
That's so tangy and refreshing. I love it. Can I get 2 scoops?
Absolutely. Cone or cup?
Cone, please. A waffle cone if you have it.
We do. Would you like any toppings? We have sprinkles, chocolate drizzle, crushed cookies, and fresh fruit.
Yes. Can I have chocolate drizzle and some fresh strawberries on top?
Such a great combo. Anything else? We also have milkshakes, sundaes, and ice cream sandwiches.
A milkshake sounds amazing, but I think I'll save room for next time.
Smart thinking. There's always next time. Here's your lemon gelato waffle cone with chocolate drizzle and strawberries.
This looks incredible. Can I take a photo first? It's too pretty to eat.
Please do. Tag us if you post it. We love seeing happy customers.
Deal. Thank you so much.
I told you this place was amazing. And look, there are even more flavors today.
Whoa, you weren't kidding. I don't even know where to start. What do you recommend?
Okay. Let me help you. First question, do you have any food allergies?
I'm lactose intolerant, so I need to avoid regular dairy.
No problem. They have so many dairy-free options here. Let me ask. Excuse me. Hi. My friend is lactose intolerant. What would you suggest?
Oh, great question. We have 7 dairy-free flavors today. Mango, lemon, passion fruit, coconut, watermelon, peach, and dark chocolate sorbet.
See? So many options. Which one sounds good to you?
Passion fruit. I've never tried passion fruit ice cream before.
Oh, you're going to love it. It's tropical and a little tart, so unique.
Can I add toppings?
Yes. What do you want? I'm getting the mango again today. It was so good last time.
Can I do coconut flakes and fresh kiwi on top?
That sounds so tropical. Great combo. And get a waffle cone, trust me.
Okay, I'll do that. Hey, do they have any seasonal specials?
Oh, yes. Let me check. Excuse me, any seasonal specials today?
Yes, today's special is our summer berry blast, 3 scoops of mixed berry sorbet with lemon zest and granola. It's only available this month.
Oh, wow. I might get that instead. What do you think?
Ha, get both. You only live once.
Ha, you know what? You're right. YOLO. I'll take the summer berry blast and the mango.
That's the spirit. Life is short. Eat the ice cream.
And that is a wrap. 10 English conversations done. How do you feel?
I feel hungry. Ha! All that food talk made me hungry.
Haha, same. But seriously, you just practiced so much real English today.
That's right. All of these conversations happen in real life every single day.
At a cafeteria, a bakery, a steakhouse, a dessert shop, an ice cream shop.
These are places you visit on vacation, on a trip, or even in your own city.
And now you know exactly what to say. You're prepared, you're ready.
Exactly. Don't wait for the perfect moment to practice English. Practice every day. Even small moments count.
And if you made a mistake while following along today, that's okay. Mistakes are how you grow.
We all make mistakes, even native speakers. The key is keep going. Don't stop.
Keep showing up, keep listening, keep speaking. That's the Chill English way.
Now, we need one small thing from you before you go.
Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. It means the world to us.
And subscribe bell if you want more conversations like this every single week.
Leave a comment below. Tell us, which dialogue was your favorite? 1 through 10.
And tell us what you want to practice next. Airport, hotel, shopping, office? We listen to you.
Thank you so much for being here today. You are part of this family now.
And we are so proud of you for taking this step to learn English.
Until next time, keep it chill, keep it fun, and keep practicing.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye. You've got this.